If you want to use ChatGPT a little more privately, there is a feature that works like incognito mode, and in ChatGPT, it is officially called temporary chat. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on, what it does, and why it's useful if you don't want a conversation saved in your history or used for memory. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once you're on the main ChatGPT screen, look for the chat controls and the settings area. The option you're looking for is temporary chat. This is the feature that works like incognito mode because it keeps the conversation out of your chat history and prevents it from being used to create memories. Now, turn the temporary chat switch on. As soon as you enable it, you should notice the interface change slightly. Depending on the version you are using, you may see a darker header, a label that says temporary chat, or another visual indicator that confirms private mode is active. That change is important because it tells you that the next conversation you start will be temporary. Once temporary chat is enabled, go ahead and start chatting normally. You can ask questions, generate ideas, write drafts, or use any of the usual ChatGPT tools. The main difference is that this chat is meant to stay separate from your regular chat history. That means it won't show up the same way your standard conversations do, and it won't contribute to memory features either. This is especially helpful if you're working on something sensitive, testing prompts, or just want to keep a conversation temporary without leaving a trail in your history. It's also useful if you share a device or simply prefer a cleaner workspace inside ChatGPT. If you ever want to go back to normal mode, just turn temporary chat off. After that, ChatGPT will return to its regular conversation behavior, where chats can appear in your history and the memory features may apply again. So the whole process is very simple. Open ChatGPT, find temporary chat, switch it on, and start your private session. One quick tip before you go, if you're using ChatGPT for anything you want to keep private, always double check that temporary chat is actually enabled before you begin typing. It only takes a second, but it can save you from accidentally saving a conversation you wanted to keep temporary. And that's it. You now know how to turn on incognito mode in ChatGPT, also known as temporary chat. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.